Government's biggest road show for relief and assistance hit the province of Cavite, a huge voting bloc of over 2 million that delivered hugely for the president in the May 2022 polls. And the thousands who showed up today did not go home disappointed or empty-handed, with so much freebies and giveaways to the tune of almost 1 billion pesos. Our Mela Lesmoras took her team to the birthplace of Philippine independence, and she filed this report.
Fe arrived early at the Aguinaldo Shrine in Kawit, Cavite. This was to participate in the Bagong Pilipinas Servicio Fair, a project of President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. featuring various government assistance, services, and programs. Fe's trip was well worth it because she got assistance and other gifts.
Marami po salamat sa inyo, mahal na Pangulong Marcos. Dahil po sa inyo, na ibabaan po ninyo sa lahat po ng mamamayang Pilipino ang inyong programa.
House Speaker Martin Romualdez led the opening ceremony of the BPSF caravan in Cavite, along with nearly 200 congressmen. The Revilla family, headed by Senator Bong Revilla, served as a local host for the event.
Sa totoo lang, ngayon lang nangyari yan sa ating bansa. Itong ganitong klaseng programa na talagang nararamdaman ng ating mga kababayan. Kaya palakpakan natin ang ating mahal na Pangulong Bongbong at Speaker Martin Romualdez.
The Bagong Pilipinas Servicio Fair will be up in Cavite until tomorrow. According to the BPSF National Secretariat, around 120,000 beneficiaries are expected to receive assistance during the two-day caravan, with nearly 1 billion pesos worth of programs and services being offered.
Naka-recess na kami ha, naka-break na kami ha. Dapat sila, umuwi na sila sa kanilang mga probinsya, sa kanilang mga distrito, pero nandito sila sa Kawit dahil mahal-mahal natin kayong lahat dito sa Kawit, sa Cavite.
Aside from the BPSF caravan, several pocket events were also launched in Cavite, including the CARD, ISIP for the Youth, and CIBOL programs. But wait, there's more. Organizers also brought entertainment for the beneficiaries, featuring some famous artists.
Itaas ang inyong kamay! Itaas ang inyong kamay! Ipakita ang ingay! Ipakita ang ingay! Say ho! Say ho! Say hey, hey, ho!
For BPSF National Secretariat Lead and House Deputy Secretary General Sophonius Gabonada Jr., the launching of events is by all means a success. Despite the scheduled filing of certificates of candidacy next week for the 2025 midterm elections, Gabonada said the BPSF caravan will not be affected.
Hindi po, kinlarify po ng ating butihing chairman ng Commission on Election na wala pong epekto ang campaign period dito sa Bagong Pilipinas Servicio Fair. Huwag kayong mag-alala, ang utos ng Pangulo sa Bagong Pilipinas Servicio Fair National Secretariat at ni Speaker Martin Romualdez, walang probinsyang maiiwan at hindi mapupuntahan ng Bagong Pilipinas Servicio Fair.
Mela Lesmoras from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.